Hey beauties, welcome back to Ivory Space. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I decorate my home for Christmas. So this year I was only able to decorate the main floors, and the down level and up level I didn't really do much. So what I did was I have some of this um pillow covers from last year that I got from Amazon to over my pillows, and I also buy two new pillow covers from Dollarama. Those two pillow covers that you saw before, the ones with the three, was from Dollarama. And my dining table, I wanted something very beautiful, very simple for Christmas decor. So most of the things on my dining table, the plates are from Dollar Trees, and the napkin also is from Dollar Tree. But the centerpiece that you see there are from Home Sense. The vase is from Home Sense, and I just use some of the ornaments to decorate the cups that I got from Kitchen Plus stuff. So this year I didn't really do much. Like if you want to see how I decorate for Christmas, I have a video up from previous year. If you want to go check it out on how I decorate my home. This year is a little bit different, but if you want to see how to decorate your home for Christmas from start to finish, you can go on my previous video from last year. I'll be leaving a link of that also there so that you can see how I decorate. So as you can see here, the dining table, I wanted some red ornament, gold ornament, something that matches with the centerpiece of my dining table to decorate. And yes, as I mentioned before, the vase is from Home Sense, the centerpiece is from Home Sense, those spiky stuff is also from Home Sense. And for my side, because my dining area is pretty big, it's like this area here, I use sockets to decorate it, and I fill that big decorate vase or cups with ornaments as well. As you can see, I wanted some red and silver and gold this year for the home decor, and you guys are going to see later on how I decorated my tree. I remember telling you guys that I'm not sure what color we should be going for the tree, and you guys will see the colors that we finally decided to decorate the tree. As you can see, I feel like they all look seamless. They look that the living room with the red, and the dining room with red, like they look really seamless. I like it because it's very simple. I didn't really spend too much time decorating. I started early anyway because Christmas is one of my favorite holidays. So I love Christmas, so I started early. Even my coffee table, I tried to put some red stuff in it as well. So as you can see, I have a smaller set, like a coffee table decor as well here. Candles I have as well. And yes guys, as you can see, this reindeer that you can see here, I have 3 sets of reindeer that I got from Walmart about 2 years ago, and it was about $100 for the 3 set, and I used that to decorate the house as well. So it was supposed to go outside, but guys, no, you have to plug it in and do all that. I didn't really do much outside the house, and I just mostly decorated the front yard and the backyard. I didn't really do much, just the front yard and the main floor this year. And for my kitchen, I just added some ornament to my coffee area, tea area. Guys, if you're interested on how I redesigned or how I decorated my coffee station, let me know. I will be putting a video up. I just recently bought this coffee maker Keurig coffee maker. I'm getting a new one as well because I ordered the wrong one, so I'm getting a new one. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. So as you can see, the kitchen, I didn't really do much as well. I just put out some of the Christmas decor that I had from previous year, and I just added just a tiny bit of different stuff into it just to give it that Christmas look. So yeah, ornament as well in the kitchen just to give it that Christmas look. And for the hallway, I just used my raft to wrap the stairways and added some flowers. So now let's get to the Christmas tree. As you can see here, I decorated the fireplace. This last year I didn't have no fireplace. If you watch my previous video from last year, you will hear me saying that I wish that 2021 I will have a fireplace, and I did end up getting a fireplace this year. So yes guys, I decorated my fireplace with some red decor pieces. I didn't really do much there as well, but my Christmas tree is my favorite of them all. This year we decided to go blue for the Christmas tree. At first my kids were not feeling it. They're like, nope mommy, we want to keep it red and white ornament. And I'm like, we need to switch it up. Last year last year we had gold and silver, so this year we're just adding a tiny hint of blue. That is what I just told them. I don't want to add too much blue to it, just a tiny hint of blue to the Christmas tree. And guys, it came out beautiful. I love the Christmas tree. I like the way it looks. I love that it gives it a complete different look to the decor, because everywhere else I have a hint of red in it. Just the Christmas tree, they have no red at all. So yes guys, so that is how I decorated my Christmas tree. Let me know what color theme that you are doing this year for your Christmas decor. And yes guys, this is all about this video tour. I hope you guys like it. Please leave a comment down below and I will be happy to read them. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below, and also do not forget to push the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.